Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here, and today I'm playing an indie game made in Unity called Desecration. It's on itch.io, and I will leave a link in the description below for you to have a go yourself. And wow, already this looks pretty awesome.
Mankind's reach and planetary installations has spread far
let him
beyond Earth. Humans hunt the dark corners of the galaxy for precious resources. However, something ancient from the dark corners of the galaxy hunts them.
I'm impressed already. I'll be honest. Okay, so this is the main menu, and that looks really awesome. I've got to be honest, this looks really good. Wow. Anyway, it says Desecration. Imprisoned on a derelict starship, you are awakened to find that a deadly pathogen has been released on board. Following the instructions of a mysterious overseer, you must make your way through the ship to discover the fate of the crew and other convicts, and ultimately escape. But beware, the result of the pathogen may be hunting you down. Well, let's get into it then. Not sure what the controls are. I'm sure we'll
6,
pick
3.
up.
You are being released from quarantine prematurely due to unforeseen circumstance. Make your way to transport shuttle in Cargo Bay Alpha.
Cargo Bay Alpha. Okay. Oh, wow. No way. This reminds me of Resident Evil. Wow. Cool. Now,
The door is locked.
Oh, it's locked.
You'll need a key card to open it.
Okay. Let's go find a key card. Can we go this way? This is cool. It looks really nice as well. It's foggy. Maybe I can't go in there. No. Good old tank controls. I love it. Now this is cool. Look at that. Oh. I've got that going. I think so. Okay, so there's nothing else in here. I did press space, so it did start hopefully going. Okay. What's all this? Is that the key card? I think that's the key card. Yeah.
Pathogen detected.
Oh, hello.
And seeking new vectors. Exit now.
Okay, I am obviously going to have to get out of here. Okay, I want to go back this way.
I cannot open the doors.
Why?
While infection remains near.
Well, what do we do then? Can I close the door? Oh, gosh. Okay. Oh, I'm back here. Can I actually... Oh! There we go. Okay. I didn't realise I had a weapon. Oh, but I'm going to need it now. No, no, no. Turn around. Oh, no. Oh. Okay. I died. I'm going to have to try that again. I didn't realise I had that weapon.
Subject 563.
Yep,
You
we
are
know
being
we've...
released from quarantine
okay. My bad.
prematurely.
Okay, I'm going to try
due to
again this time.
Unforeseen circumstance. Make your way to
So that'll be my
transport
first
shuttle in
little
cargo
thing
bay
there. Just kind
Alpha
of maybe add in the controls somewhere. Yeah. It keeps doing that. I can't move any further around. It's okay. There we go. I think I might have got it now. So let's go through the door. We can't go through there, so it should be this way. This way. Oops. I'll turn the generator on. There we go. Okay, wait. Oh, there we go. So I can go through here now.
Pathogen
Key
detected
card.
and seeking new vectors.
And I
Exit
wonder if I
now.
can just run and see if it'll...
I cannot open the doors while the infection remains near.
Okay. So I'm going to wait here and hopefully they'll come walking over to me and I'll be able to shoot. Come on. Come on. Yeah, muty, muty. Yep, there we go. One gone. Take that. Oh, I need to get in before he gets me. Come on. See ya. Is that it? I think that's it. Oh. I think that was a little bit of a glitch. Okay, never mind. This is really cool. Oh. Damn. Gotta be careful. Oh. Oh. Okay, so the other one is that the way this gun just doesn't kind of auto aim it, but it just pivots around and you just lose where you're shooting. Okay, so I am hurt. So I'm obviously going to need some kind of health. It kind of does feel like a Resident Evil game. Not quite in the same sense as, you know, the completely static camera angles. But it does kind of feel like it. Nice. Okay. I'm guessing there's a lot more after this. Maybe. Oh, okay, that's it. Well, in all fairness, that wasn't too bad at all. I could actually see that being developed into a fully fledged game. I mean, to be fair, it does say that it's part of a game jam, which, you know, these game jam games usually last anywhere between 5 and 20 minutes usually, so it's really well made, I've got to be honest. I feel like it's really well made. More time spent on that would make it really awesome. So guys, give it a thumbs up if you liked it, give it a thumbs down if you didn't, but let me know in the comments below why you didn't like it, because I always like to I like to know, and to be fair, if the developer ever sees this, they'd probably like to know as well. And if you are the developer, that is really good. I really like that. I would actually love to see that as a fully fledged game with, you know, a nice sleek feel to it. So I would encourage that. It's really good. Like I say, links in the description, guys, if you want to have a go. This has been Desecration. I've been Jimmy Vegas. Guys, thank you very much for watching.